My sister ended up leaving college because she was done, and she went on a year sabbatical to go and find herself while traveling. And before she knew it, she realized that she did not want to go back home anymore, and she needed to find a way to make money online. The problem is she had no background and experience in making money online, and she wanted to find a way if she could make money while traveling so that she never had to go back home again. So what she ended up doing was she realized, okay, well, I know how to use Canva because I use it for some of like my Instagram posts and my Pinterest blogs that I've done in the past. I want to see if I could go ahead and sell this as a service. And she didn't have money for Photoshop. She didn't have money for Adobe Illustrator or whatever the crazy, online virtual things are to like do editing photos. She literally just had Canva, and she wanted to see if she could go ahead and get clients. And she found out that there was a huge opportunity. And she charged like $500 a month for each one of those services. She was able to clear $10,000 in a single month because she just did this design work.